This is a video of us cleaning the drone for spray painting, showing it to our visiting customers from Japan. Now you can see our professional technicians are debugging the machine and adjusting the water pump pressure. Now you can see the drone taking off and getting ready to start spraying. During the spraying paint, you can see that our drone can spray paint from a long distance and the spraying effect is very good. Okay, now the spraying is done. You can see the difference between the upper and the lower pieces.